Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design Learning Solidworks Mechanical Mate Gear Mates. So in this video we are going to learn how to perform a gear mate like this, right? As you can see, it is having a perfect motion. If you rotate this gear, it will rotate this gear as well. So for this kind of simulation or a motion, how to apply the mates, right? So firstly, you should learn how to create the gears, right? So to sketch or draw the gear, it will take a lot of effort, right? Okay, don't go to the part, go to the assembly. And nowadays they are CAD softwares are offering the design library. Okay, design library where you can just apply the parameters and the gear will be ready. Okay, so you can just go to the task pane, go to the toolbox, and from the toolbox you can select your standard, whatever you prefer, right? So let's say I want to prefer the ISO standard, and in the ISO you have to go to the power transmission. In the power transmission you can find the gears, and gears I will select the spur gear. So as you can see, my gear is ready. Now you can change the parameters, like if you want the module of 5, it will create the module of 5 like this. And number of teeth I want to increase to the 70. Okay, it is 70. Face width I want to give it to the 60. Now what is the hub style you can give? Type A, type B, type C. Okay, so just like that, my I think my nominal shaft diameter should be less, 55. Okay, and now you can apply the hub style, which is already shown here. Okay, so that's how you can create your gear. Okay, and click it OK. Now if you want to change the any parameter in the gear, so what you can do, you can just go to the right click and edit toolbox component. By editing this gear, you are able to change or modify the existing gear, right? I'm copying this gear right now. Now coming to the assembly part, how to assemble this gear, right? So to assemble this kind of assembly, what you can do, you can just select the you have to define what is the PCD of the gear, right? So you can just go to the tooth cut over here and select visible tooth cut. Now you can measure the PCD. It is a 350 mm. So it is also same gear, so 350 mm will be the distance between two gears. Okay, so now you have to create the new part, where you can just apply new sketch. Okay. Otherwise you can also create on this face also. There is no issue. Okay, I think it was 350, right? 350. Click it OK. Yeah, it's done. Now you can make this gear mate concentric. Why it is not happening? Because it's not float, it's a fix. Okay, that's all. That's why made this point and this point and this. So make it a concentric, and this face should be like this, right? So that's how I think it is done now. Also this face, this point and this face should be concentric. Okay, done. Now as you can see, it is perfectly tangent. Okay, my PCD has been tangent, and you can just apply the gear position in this way. Now my gear has been okay, wait, what happened in this? Okay, forgot to apply one mate over here. Okay, done. Now as you can see, my both gear are rotating on their axis. Now I can apply the gear, but I have to set in the good position before that. Okay, Now apply the mate, go to the mechanical and go to the gear mate, and in the gear mate you can apply the mate selection, which can be selected as a PCD or any circular surface, right? So I will select the PCD because it will give the accurate results, right? Both PCD has been selected and both has been identified automatically. If you want to change it, you can change, but it will get interrupted, okay? Because it is designed as a 1:1 ratio. If you make any change from here, then it will mesh, okay? And there is an option called reverse. If you want to make it reverse, one gear this side, one gear this side. So that's how. Let's see how it is rotating. Okay, it's rotating perfectly now, as you can see. Yeah, and if you want to make it opposite side also, I can show that. Go to yes and make it a reverse. Done. Okay. Oh, this kind of mate works only in the dreams, right? Not in the real time. So that's how you can apply the mates for the gears. And that's all for the video. If you like the video, please keep sharing, keep learning, and keep watching. Thank you so much.